Hello friends, today we'll be discussing this article of 19th of January from Indian Express, which is titled India Begins Vaccine Diplomacy, First Doses in Bhutan and Maldives. Now firstly, what is diplomacy? So diplomacy is defined as the profession or the activity, the skill of managing international relations. IR manage करने के लिए the skills that are needed typically by a country's representatives is called diplomacy. And if we talk about diplomacy, अगर हम vaccine diplomacy की बात करें, so before that somebody who has read international relations a bit और जो थोड़ा बहुत international relations में interest रखता होगा, somebody who might be reading articles in The Hindu or Indian Express might be knowing that इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस में हम काफ़ी तरीके की डिप्लोमेसीज की बात करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, one is the cricket diplomacy, which is majorly talked in for the case of India and Pakistan relations. India-Pakistan relations. This is the cricket diplomacy. Whereas we also have an example of something called as ping pong diplomacy. Ping pong diplomacy. Now, this ping pong diplomacy refers to the exchange of table tennis (TT) table tennis players between United States and the People's Republic of China. इस केस में हम पिंग पोंग डिप्लोमेसी की बात करते हैं. This began during the 1971 World Table Tennis Championship. यहाँ से जो शुरू हुआ, that was called the ping pong diplomacy, which took place which usually is mentioned in the case of United States of America and the People's Republic of China. So now what is vaccine diplomacy? India begins vaccine diplomacy. It means that India is now planning or is now trying to use vaccine for its diplomacy or for improving, or I should say, for improving its relations with the neighboring countries. So India will be using, or India is planning to use, the vaccine, the COVID-19 pandemic vaccine, for improving relations with the neighbors. Now, as we know that COVID-19 had grabbed the entire world in the year 2020 and is even continuing across various countries. So recently India has approved that COVID-19 vaccines developed by Bharat Biotech. Just a second. So India has approved 2 vaccines, which is Bharat Biotech developed Covaxin, the Covaxin which is developed by Bharat Biotech, and another one which is developed by AstraZeneca, which is Covishield. So India, as per the article, India will officially begin its vaccine diplomacy. India will try to use its vaccine for improving its relations with other neighboring countries by supplying the made in India COVID vaccine. It should be noted that it is made in India. And the first countries would be Bhutan and Maldives. After that, the countries that will follow would be Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, Seychelles, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, and Mauritius. So India would try to improve its relations with these countries by the transfer of vaccine, and that's the reason it is called as vaccine diplomacy. Now, if you look at this, the Maldives along with Bhutan will become the first recipient of Indian government's gift manufactured by Serum Institute of India. It is developed by the Serum Institute of India. And as per the government, when the government came to power along 7 to 8 years back, it first declared its policy, which was the neighborhood first policy. And from there, the Prime Minister and the Indian government started giving importance to its neighbors. And thus began the neighborhood first policy. Now, To even improve on this, the government is planning to brand the vaccine diplomacy as vaccine मैत्री. हम उसको वैक्सीन मैत्री का नाम देंगे, which would be to improve the relations. Now, as per S. Jaishankar, the External Affairs Minister, India is fulfilling the commitment to give vaccines to humanity and trying to help the other countries, the other smaller countries that are its neighbors. Now, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan and Mauritius, these three countries, from here India is awaiting for the confirmation of necessary regulatory clearances. And India would be completing this immunization program in a phased manner. हम सबसे पहले अपने healthcare providers को provide करेंगे vaccine, then the frontline workers and the most vulnerable sections of the society. It would be only after this that we would be providing vaccine to the other percentage of the population. Now, what is important for the Indian government? What is important for the Indian government is to make sure that हमारे internal country के internal supplies are adequate, and then we meet our abroad supplies. So हमको balance maintain करके रखना है. If we don't maintain a proper balance, then it would be a problem, because हमारी country की population is equally important, just the way it is important for us to think about humanity and supply vaccine to other smaller countries in our neighborhood. Now, the article also says one thing, that this is not the first time during the pandemic that India is trying to help other countries. जबकि starting में when India itself lacked gloves, masks, sanitizers, even then, and even ventilators, even then India tried to help these countries. The article mentions it here that India had earlier supplied hydroxychloroquine, remdesivir and paracetamol tablets, as well as ventilators, masks, gloves and other medical supplies that during the start of the pandemic. So now we see that India is using this vaccine for growing its relations positively with other member countries. But one thing that is to be noted here is this does not talk about Pakistan. Pakistan has not been named as a neighboring country which will get the vaccine, though Islamabad is exploring options. So we have still not talked about Pakistan. It is only these other small countries that are being discussed for the case of vaccine diplomacy. This is all for today. I hope you understood the article. Thank you. Stay tuned.